Hi guys, welcome to Lucky Blast tutorial. So today I will tell you how to play this game and how you can earn money. It's a very easy and simple game. So just to check this, they are showing my level. This time my level is 75 and my recent income $121. So when I reach on 200, then I am able to withdraw this via PayPal. It's also give us the some prizes. You can see here I already won 4.8 iPhone 12 Pro, 3.3 iPhone 12, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 3.6, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 3, iPad Air 3, Fitbit Sense 2, and so on. So you can also win all these things by playing this simple game. They are showing in the top where you see the level 75. Here they are showing two blocks, red and yellow. So we need to blast 15 red blocks and 13 yellow blocks. Let's play and check how to you can play it and earn money. See, it's a very easy. Yes, amazing game. So yellow done. Now we need 8 red colors. So just check how we can find. I think here some little bit difficult this level. Get 5 extra. You can get extra move by watching this video. Just watch this till end, and after that you get some other moves and you can easily win this game. So now we get some other moves. It's very difficult to find red one. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, we got $0.44. So just watch this video again and you can earn lots of money by watching such type of videos. When they showing this, if you reject, then you are not able to win any kind of amount. There are lots of games which you can play easily and earn money as showing in these ad. If you want to download, you can download the other one app they are showing, but I think one time you can use one, and then if you feel you want to new one, you can download others. Here they are showing lots of games which you can play and earn money. I want to go back. I don't know why it's not showing the back option. Oh my god, I don't know how I go back. It stuck my game. Oh no. No tutorial, so let's see. Oh my god, it's not allowing to go back. I don't know what happened. So here we need only 2 yellow. Oh, our moves are finished again. So go back and play again. Yes. Oh, really, I win this game, but they are giving only $0.51. Many people saying this video is not sorry, this app is fake, because after $100 they are giving very low amount, like 0.10 cent, 0.20 cent, 0.50 cent, and you need to play, and the stages are very difficult to cover that. Many people saying this is a fake game. I don't know what the reality is, fake or not, but I saw lots of videos on YouTube. They are claiming that this is a fake video. They are not giving even one penny. Yes, they are not giving any penny, so this is the fake game and waste of your time. So don't play this game, and don't waste your time. Do your other works. You can make some other goods videos for YouTube and earn money from there, or use the TikTok app, Snack apps, so you can easily get your own Pakistani money. So hope you enjoy this game, and also you like this game, and you learn about this too much. So if you like, or if you feel good this game, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to do a comment and like. Take care. Bye bye.